Hello, this is a Common Day video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create link solutions as an option for a higher level solution. This is an important step to help you understand more advanced uses for Common Day while building off of the Common Day basis covered in our problem solving video. Learning this technique will provide options such as having a linked answer to utterances such as websites and emails. This will also familiarize you with how most extended data works, which is an important use of the Common Day database. With that being said, let us begin. So for today's example, we're going to be using answering the question, can I get a quote, or just can I get a quote, or may I have a quote, or something like that. So the keyword is going to be quote. So the first step in today's exercise is to create your problem and solution knowledge record. So I have them over here. If you would like more detail on creating a problem and solution knowledge record, please refer to our problem solving video. But for today, our problem knowledge record that we're going to be working with is person can request information on quote. And we also have, for our solution knowledge record, I have information on quote. So creating these two knowledge records will be our first step. Our second step is to go into extended data. On the top left, we're going to add item. And then for our first example, I'm going to show you how to add a link to a website. So we're going to go to extended data types. And in extended data types, most of these are very general and self-explanatory. For example, customer care email address. You would provide your customer care email address. And the same thing for customer care phone number. You would provide your customer care phone number. And anything a little less self-explanatory is generalized in brackets. So internet information is what would you provide in this is in brackets a link. You would provide a link to a website. So we're going to go with product information to provide a link, and we're going to go to service form, add item. We are going to look for our extended data, which is right here. Go to the far right and press not edit, but value. And as you can see where it says URL/link, we're going to provide the URL or link. So I'm going to go to our comma.ai request form. And you want to get the entire URL. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. You want the entire URL, and you're going to press save it. Now we're going to add an email. So quote email, and we'll be using customer care email address. And then again, we're going to go to the far right, go to value, and under email address, we'll do service@comma.ai. And then press save item to save the changes. And then we are going to have like some general text. So service text. And the type would be service information text. And we're going to say something polite. Thank you for contacting us. If you need anything, please go to the website below and fill in service request or contact us using email provided. You're going to want to remember all the names of the extended data that you have created. Then we're going to go back to our solution knowledge record. I have information on quote. We're going to go to the far right, click the arrow, and then go to not linking carriers. Go to extended data link. And then we're going to go to start off with service text. And just press add item. I'll show you again less quickly. Sorry about that. We're going to go to service form, press select, and then go to the bottom right, press add item. And then do the same thing for the email. And now I'll show you how it all works. I want a quote. And as you can see, our text that we provided earlier is right here. I'll close this link. And I'll click on the link and it'll bring us right to the website that we had before. And as you can see, the email is also provided at the bottom. So I hope you found this helpful, and I also hope that you have a nice day.